beautiful one. This is Faith Hunter, and welcome to our new moon in Leo reading. This new moon in Leo is occurring on August 16th, 2023. It represents a time where you can focus on spiritual growth, of course, set some intentions or modify some intentions, and tap into a little self-discovery. Let me break a few things down. The astrological significance has about 3 different factors that I want to talk about. Time for self-expression. You see, Leo is a fire sign ruled by the sun, associated with creativity, courage, and self-expression. A new moon in Leo encourages us to embrace our true selves, pursue our passions, and express our unique qualities. Let's talk a little bit about the focus on the heart chakra. This Leo is linked to the Anahata heart chakra. It's a place for centering love, compassion, and empathy. This new moon is a chance to align with these energies, open your heart, and connect with others. Now, like all new moons, it's about new beginnings. So this new moon generally is considered to be a time for fresh starts, and this one in Leo signifies that energy, of course, but you can focus once again on personal growth, some leadership, and embracing your own inner strengths. How can you possibly use this celestial period? Well, here are a couple of recommendations. Set some intentions or modify your intentions. I definitely want to encourage you to write down your intentions and desires during this new moon. Focus on what you wish to create, manifest, or transform in your life. Meditation and mindfulness is always my personal go-to, so spend time in meditation, visualize your intentions, and of course, drop into the heart-centered energy of this new moon in Leo and align with its loving energy. Now, this new moon in Leo offers us a little playfulness and creativity, so engage in activities that spark your personal creativity, whether it's painting, writing, my personal favorite, dancing, and just drop into your own childlike, your inner child vibration. Manifestation rituals are also perfect, so utilize this energy of the new moon in Leo to manifest your dreams. You can create a manifestation personal ritual by using candles, crystals, or whatever resonates with you. Now, we always want to feel the sensation of emotions and spiritual support. So I encourage you to foster self-love, confidence, and that inner lion courage. Trust in your path and believe in your worth. This new moon in Leo can act as a catalyst, pushing us towards self-actualization and realization of our higher selves. It's a time to align with our heart's desire and take bold action. So here are my top 3 ways to utilize this new moon in Leo energy. Drop into a little mental support. Use this period to break free from limiting beliefs and embrace a more positive and affirming mindset. I'm all about healing, so of course, emotional healing is key. Focus on self-compassion and forgiveness. Let go of past hurts and open your heart. 3, spiritual growth. Connect with your inner wisdom and intuition. Dive deeper into your spiritual practices, whether it be meditation, of course, yoga, journaling, or taking a long walk in nature. The new moon in Leo offers a rich opportunity to connect with you, your sweet self, your lion heart self, to manifest your desires, grow mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. So, my dear one, it's time to be bold, to love, and to shine bright. Thanks so much for listening, and stay spiritually fly. By the way, new moon, full moon, and other celestial meditations, along with an assortment of wellness practices like affirmations, guided meditations, yoga, breathwork, and journaling, can easily be found inside the Elevate by Faith app, available both on Apple and Android. A link is provided right below, so go on and click. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.